When you look into the history of WAGO, you can see that WAGO always ever was a very innovative company. That's really part of the DNA of the company. Today, talking about digitalization, we talk about cloud systems, we talk about in-factory automation, we talk about controlling smart grids, but it's still in our DNA that we develop the right solutions for that.
We are heading to be the backbone of a smart connected world. WAGO wants to be a strong partner in this development of the world. We need to look at customer needs and change our business models to be flexible and have the flexibility for our business processes and the IT capabilities, see what chances we have within the cloud.
Ein Grund für diese Entscheidung bei WAGO war, dass wir sehr flexibel damit unser Wachstum unterstützen können. Wir sind in der Lage, sehr schnell in neue Länder damit zu gehen. Wir sind aber auch in der Lage, sehr schnell bestehende und neue Applikationen zu verteilen. Je nachdem, an welcher Stelle das Business gerade seinen Schwerpunkt hat, wo IT gefordert wird, sind wir in der Lage, mit dieser Lösung von Citrix sehr schnell zu reagieren.
We can decide if we need, for example, in Australia, a workload locally. It's very easy to bring them up directly into the cloud because maybe we have no data center in Australia, so we can bring up cloud services around the world to handle this kind of services on different locations. So in the cloud, premise, we can do it very easy with Citrix Cloud Solution.
I think about 14 years ago we decided to go with Citrix as a global partner, a very important partner for us because Citrix gives us the power to harness the power of cloud services and mobile solutions and big data in a secure way.
We are in Minden. We are not in Munich, we are not in Frankfurt. We have to be more, let's say, attractive for the employees to come to Minden, to come to WAGO. For me as an IT guy, I think I have to prepare a flexible workplace. That means we have to provide a workplace that you can consume or take on and in any location in Europe, in any location around the world.
Die Citrix-Plattform, die hilft uns sehr, wenn wir wirklich Know-how transportieren wollen beim Kunden. Wir haben unsere eigenen Produkte, Cloud-basiert, wir haben Cloud-basierte Lösungen und diese Lösungen können wir, ja, ich sag mal, wirklich perfekt transportieren, wenn wir gleichzeitig auch digitale Medien und die Citrix Cloud nutzen.
The beauty of a cloud is that you can really try out things like this. Yeah, it is there. Yeah, you don't need to invest in all the assets. Yeah, you can just use the cloud. You can do something, and that again then has a lot to do with digitalization and digital transformation. Because if it comes to agility and really try out things in a fast speed, then the cloud really gives you a great opportunity because you don't have to invest money in all the assets.
It's flexibility and it's, I don't know the English word, Zukunftssicherheit, we say in Germany. So it's when you look in the future, you are prepared, yeah? And this is something, maybe, this is a chance what we can do to be prepared for the business for the future.